Hey guys, one fish shoot one here. I'm gonna do a topic on ice fishing today. It's getting soon in Montana. It's gonna be good ice fishing. I went out today, early ice, about 8 inches. Caught a few crappies and bluegills, but wasn't too fun. I'm gonna hit on rods right now, but this rod is not a very good one, but I like it just to have a few extras, spares, definitely spares. But they're called Ice Blues 24-inch light rod. Not too good of a reel grip, but I mean, it's got quite a few eyes. Definitely very sensitive for bluegills and stuff. Good rod, I like it a lot. I've got so many rods, it's not even funny. I got this one. Not a very good reel. I have to get a new reel for it. Looks pretty cool though, but not worth it. It's a Shields tournament rod, 26 inches long, medium light. It's kind of more like a walleye rod. Big rainbows. Big fish rainbows. I don't know. Another one right here. This one is an Elite Shields rod. Very sensitive. Good for handfish, big or decent sized bass. Not big ones, but still, if you catch a big one, it's pretty fun. That's the way I go. Little stuff catch big fish. We also have a new one, ultra sensitive. 2-pound test line, tiny test line. On a nice reel. Got a lot in on here. 120 yards. Definitely worth it. We also have another one right here. A clam. Clam produced it. We also have a fluger reel on here. Probably 8-pound test, but it's got a nice sensitive rod tip, but it's got good backbone. So it definitely gets in the big rainbows. Hard picky biting fish. And then we got over here just a good all-out rainbow or good bass rod. Very good bass rod. Get some nice bass on that all year round. Just kidding, no, just ice fishing. But those are some of the rods we use here in Montana. Doesn't really matter, you could use them anywhere. But then we also have tip ups, but I don't really use these too much. We'll get into them hopefully this year when we go around state fishing. Hope I'm not getting sick so I can still go ice fishing this year. Not get sick, that'd suck. Alright, now we got my box over here. I'll get into this a little bit deeper. Alright, here's my box. We got so much stuff in it. Like, these are all the different, like, rattle baits and stuff I have. All different sorts. Northland ones. I think the other ones are clam ones, but all different kinds. Different colors and whatnot. Pretty good. They're all pretty small, so they can get, I don't know. I like just using the smaller ones, but I gotta get some bigger ones so they can. This one was just one I made, see if it worked. I don't know if it will or not. This one will hopefully work pretty good. It's pretty small, so it should. I caught that rainbow one right there. I caught a nice ling on that was in Cooney. This one I caught some bass on, and this is the new one that I hope I get some bass on. Looks like a nice little bass that I'd like to eat if I was a bass. But we also have these new Northland ones that I'm thinking I'm gonna like this year for walleyes and bass. But the hook is towards the head, so when you jerk it up, it flutters downward and like it looks like the head's going down. So the fish, I think, are just gonna love that. That's a small size. This one is just the opposite. The hook is at the tail, where most lures usually have it at, but I don't know which one I'm gonna like so far. And then here's the smaller size one, different color. I like that one. Here's a perch one. I like that for good sized perch. And here I just got a bunch of different macho minnows of all different kinds and whatnot. Just a mess of them all. I think I'm getting sick. Not gonna be good. And then we also got all the Rapala things, all different kinds and colors. We're gonna use this here for crappies and bass, pike, walleyes, whatever wants to bite. Hopefully some tiger muskies maybe. For Riverfront Park or Lake Elmo. Maybe we'll get tiger muskie through the ice this year. That's it for that box. That's just my lures and ice Rapalas and whatnot. Here are all my little jigs and stuff from just all of them. Northland, tungsten jigs in there. Got everything. Might go if you guys want to learn more about some of these. Just tell me about it, and then I'll just do a bunch of special ones on just special jigs that you want me to go into depth about that I have. Send me a message or whatever. I'll answer all the questions you want. These are more of my plastics. Some of them I just got today, so that we don't know if they're gonna work or not. But those are some of them. Just got these ones today. They're by Clam. They look like just little. I don't even know, but they're hand poured, so they're just so crazy with action. Hopefully these ones will go get some big old crappies with a bunch of tentacles and whatnot. So we'll see what happens. Our usual bait choices are anywhere from live bait to wax worms to maggots to gulp. Stuff, I don't know, just whatever I think's gonna work, really. Those are just waxies and some natural wax worms in there. Same thing in here, just white ones and brown ones. And those are usually my favorite colors, is the white and brown ones, because they just look the best, I guess. Then in here I got some Fry Gulp Alive 1-inch with pink and natural colored. And then in here I got my pink maggots, wax worms, white maggots, everything I need to catch me some crappies and bluegills down at Riverfront Park. I also have a thermal tip up with me at all times in case I'm looking for fish somewhere else, like walleyes or something. It's really cold out, so I just throw that out. Don't get cold in the water or when the wind's blowing. Doesn't freeze over. Also have this handy dandy device, a Showdown. Pretty penny on him, but I like it. Definitely worth for $370. Definitely worth it. It's got me a lot of fish this last year and this year so far, but this year I've only gone out a couple times, but just checking the ice, not really having any time to camera anything. But tomorrow hopefully I'm gonna get out and get some videos. Should be a good year through ice fishing. Just send me a message. I'll answer anything. Thanks. Get back to me. Bye. Subscribe.